Hi everyone, I'm Kimberly Wallbank with Quality Systems Services. Today we're diving into a topic that can make or break your design control process, design change. Whether you're developing a new medical device or improving an existing one, managing design changes correctly keeps your product compliant, safe, and traceable. Every product design evolves, and that's a good thing. Improvements, feedback, and lessons learned all drive innovation. But if you're not controlling design changes, you risk losing track of which version was tested, verified, or even validated. That's why both FDA regulations and ISO 13485 require formal procedures for documenting and reviewing all design changes. A design change is broader than what most people think. It's not just about redesigning a circuit board or changing software code. It can be even something like switching materials, updating labeling, or tweaking a performance parameter can count as design change, especially if it impacts safety or performance. So when do you initiate a design change? Whenever a change could impact form, fit, or function. This includes fixes, upgrades, or changes driven by risk management, supplier updates, or regulatory shifts. If you find yourself saying, it's just a small tweak, that's usually a good sign it needs to go through design change. Here's a high-level flow. Start by documenting the proposed change and assessing its impact, not just technically, but in terms of risk, testing, and compliance. Then bring in the right stakeholders for review and approval. Once approved, update your documentation, perform any necessary verification or validation, and make sure everything is captured in design history file. Impact assessment is where teams often stumble. Skipping or rushing this step can cause major problems down the line. This is your opportunity to ask, what is truly affected? Do we need new verification or validation? Does this cascade into supplier changes or risk updates? Your documentation is your proof of control. It should clearly describe what changed, why it changed, who approved it, and how it was verified or validated. And remember, any related documents from drawings to risk files need to be updated too. Design change doesn't live in isolation. It's often tied to CAPAs, nonconformances, or supplier updates. Keeping these processes linked ensures that lessons learned flow through your entire quality system, not just the design file. Here are some common pitfalls I see during audits and inspections. Teams sometimes make quick fixes without formal review, skip required testing, or forget to update the design history file. Even small changes can have big consequences, so don't cut corners. Key takeaway: controlled change equals confident compliance. Document everything, assess every impact, and make sure your DHF tells the full story. That's what keeps your design control process strong and inspection ready. That wraps up our look at design change. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and tap that bell so you never miss a video. And if you need help with your design change or another part of your design control, feel free to reach out. I'd love to help. See you in the next video.